Hey folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. This is a bit of a special one. This one was actually just purchased by a good customer of ours. So this will be the last time you'll probably get to see it. Gunmetal gray. We do have a couple of the other ones as well. We've got one in red and one in blue. Those gunmetal gray rims are standard on them. They're a little bit different on each of the trucks, but definitely a nice truck. As you can see, we've done a lot of stuff to this. Put the custom decals, custom exhausts on it. This one has the big moonroof on the inside as well, so it's absolutely a beautiful truck. We did the custom leather on these guys, so you can see beautiful leather, the white stitching to match the white truck, and the red and the blue ones also have the matching stitching. So I'll just start it up here real quick so you can have a listen to that exhaust, because it is something to hear. So we do a little rev here. Definitely got a good sound to it. So again, folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. This one is gone, but if you move quick, you'll be able to get your hands on the red or the blue one. I look forward to hearing back. Bye for now.